Welcome to my channel. My name is Moses. In today's video, we are diving deep into the essential skill of customize any watermarks in Microsoft Word. Ever feel like Microsoft Word watermarks are meh? What if I told you there's a way to customize them like pro? From branding to secret messages. I'm about to show you how to take control of watermarks, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Step 1. Accessing the watermarks in Microsoft Word. Open a new blank document. First, let's unlock the watermark settings. Hit the Design tab. Then click on the watermark and boom. Here are your options. But hold up. We're not just using the default one. No way. Step 2. Creating a customized watermark. If you're tired of the same old faded text, click Customize Watermark. This is here, where the magic happens. Want your name, brand, or secret message? Type it here and choose your font. Tweak the size, select auto, change the color, and you see that semi-transparent checkbox. Unlock it if you want bold and visibility. After everything, click on Apply to see the results. Boom. Step 3. Using an image as watermark. Now let's take it up a notch. Wanna use logo, or even a secret meme? Hit Picture Watermark. Upload your picture. Select to work offline to upload your picture from your PC gallery. Adjust the scale, and there you go. Step 4. Removing and tweaking watermarks. Mess up. No worries. Hit remove watermark and then it's gone. And that's it. Your Word documents just leveled up. No more boring watermarks. Go wild with branding, designs, or even hidden Easter eggs. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment with your favorite watermark idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech hacks. Thank you for watching.